So again, this is what happens during that storm. There's a whole bunch and lots of hail, and look over there. That's like almost tall as my dad. Almost. YouTubers almost tall as my dad. And it's like up to his knees. And look, here's a car coming. There was a bug, and it was the worst because it was the smallest. So if you had a buggy, it's a bad idea during this type of weather. And the water's going fast way over there.
I think not even
there.
Like 30 minutes ago, I was doing yard work.
Dad, I'm gonna go over there and record it closer.
What?
God,
no, I can drive you through it. I can
see that? That? Oh, here's a thing. Well, I'm gonna go back. Excuse me. Cold. My feet are really white. And
so are mine. Oh my god, it hurts.
Yes, it does. This is the end of the live video. Remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye. And I hope no storms are doing this near you. Plus, this is near Bennett and Willamette. But the Bennett is worse than Willamette. I'll see you later. Bye.